Hey guys, back here with another video. So I'm gonna be showing you guys what I have in the house. So let's go to it. Here's the house, the garage door. There. And here have this stuff up there. Beds. And then I have this go-kart. I think I'm selling it to my friend. She gave me about 130 bucks for it. So, and then in here, I have some pit bikes. Some bikes. I'll show you. This one's my bike. I put an extra battery for it, but battery's in my garage. Here's one of the wires. You can see the camera, but here's one of the wires. Here's the other wire. So, this one's my bike. This one, GoPro up, my friend. We both have, I have the MX350. He has the MX350, but you can't see, but there's something wrong with his gears. My gears are perfectly fine, but his gears broke. This gear right here. This last thing shot off. We're going coming out of the woods. It's the bikes. Yeah, and this is my chain right there. It's his chain over there. Clear shot. That broke off the sprocket. I might have to order a new sprocket. So my bike is perfectly fine, and I have a flat tire. Yeah, so pretty sucks. Both of our bikes kind of in working condition. So yeah, here's the pool. I'm gonna be going in it a little bit later. Yeah, so I'm gonna give you guys a tour of my house. Yeah, I've done that on a video, but this video got lost. So yeah, there's my rifle bag, but it's not in it. I'll show you guys my rifles. And I got a sniper. So here's my room. But here is my sniper. There's my two other guns right there. Uploading. Those are BBs. Yeah, so that's pretty much it. And bathroom, of course, you know, parents' room. Pretty cool. Yeah, so I'm gonna be showing you guys the garage now. So, we just got done cleaning the trucks. Here's my ATV, my beach cruiser bike over there. Not this blue one. Not this blue one right here. That one's mine. There's my dad's bike over there. That red one over there. Top of all that stuff. Kayak, that's my brother's. That's all my brother's kayak. Over there, my kayak, the yellow one. My brother's that he gave to my sister. Hold up there. Yeah. Just the view from the back. Be nice. Yeah, so they're coming home now, so yeah, so that's pretty much it. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye.